Hello, welcome to this demonstration of CLiCk, an add-on that turns Firefox into a talking web browser. If you ever need web pages read aloud, CLiCk is a free Firefox extension that will do that for you. We're going to begin with a demonstration of CLiCk in action and show you exactly what it does. We'll then continue with a demonstration of how to download and install CLiCk on your own computer. When CLiCk is installed, it creates the Firefox toolbar that you see here with the white, green, and red buttons on it. If you select some text and then click on the white button, CLiCk will read the selected text to you.
Today I'm featuring another website that is exceptional in terms of both the quality and the scope of what it has to offer.
Alternatively, if I place the cursor at the beginning of some text that I want to hear read, and then click on the green button, CLiCk will begin reading at that point and will continue reading until I click on the red button to stop it. You'll notice that in this mode, CLiCk highlights each sentence as it's read. Watch now how this works.
It is also an inspiring example of what an individual school can do. To be fair, they haven't done it overnight. Woodlands Junior School has been online since 1999. There has clearly been visionary leadership here.
And that's really all there is to using CLiCk. It couldn't be any easier or more straightforward. Now let's take a look at how you download and install CLiCk to your computer. CLiCk is available for Firefox running in Windows, Mac, or Linux platforms, but this demonstration is for Windows XP. To start with, you have to make sure that you have the Firefox web browser installed. If you don't, just go to mozilla.com and click on the big green button to download Firefox. Firefox is an excellent web browser and it's completely free. Once you've downloaded Firefox, you install it in exactly the same way you would install any other program. Now it's time to download and install the CLiCk extension. Start by going to clickspeak.clcworld.net. It will work best if you use Firefox to go there. Once you're at the CLiCk web page, just go to the Downloads link on the right-hand side, somewhere in the middle. Click on that link. And then, to actually download the file, go to the link that's on the left-hand side of the page and in the middle, right underneath where it says the extension. It's the CLC 4 TTS Suite with CLiCk Bundle Pack 1.3. Click on that link. Make sure that you save the file to disk. I have the radio box or the radio button saved to disk selected there. Now I can click OK. The CLiCk file is quite small, so it should download almost instantly. Once it has downloaded, you can exit the CLiCk or the Downloads dialog box. The next step, if you're in Firefox, is to go to the File menu, and once the File menu is open, select Open File. And then find the file that you've just downloaded, the CLiCk bundle file. I saved mine to the desktop and here it is. Now I need to either double-click on that file or select it and click on Open. That should open a dialog box called Software Installation. And at the bottom of that dialog box, you should see a button that says Install Now. Click on that button. And there are three components to this extension, and you should see these three components in the Extensions dialog box that opens next. Exit that dialog box by clicking on the X. The next step is to exit Firefox. The easiest way to do that is to click on the X in the top right corner. And the next step is to reopen Firefox. And if the process has worked, we should see the Firefox toolbar installed as it is here. Now CLiCk is ready to use whenever you need it. If there are times when you don't need it, and you don't want the CLiCk toolbar taking up screen space, it's easy to hide it. Just go to the View menu, select Toolbars, and then deselect the CLiCk toolbar. And that should hide the CLiCk toolbar until the next time you need it. So that's the CLiCk extension for Firefox. It's been developed by a fellow named Charles L. Chen, and I think he's come up with something that will prove invaluable to many people.